Guys, in this video I will show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. Alright, so let's begin. This method is super easy, completely free, and only takes a couple of minutes to get set up. First things first, if you do have Roblox open up, go ahead and exit out of it because you're going to want to open up Google first and search for Process Explorer by Microsoft. Hit enter. Then open the first website and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you're looking for this top option right here. Select it and you're going to see a tab that looks something like this. From here, go ahead and select Download Process Explorer. And it's going to put a zip file right here. I would just recommend dragging this onto your desktop and then just extract it while you're at it just by right clicking on it and then hitting extract all. Hit extract and it's going to take all of these extra files right here and just put them in a separate folder that looks something like this. From here, open up this new folder and what you're looking for is this procexp file just like so. Go ahead and right click on it and then select run as administrator. After that, hit agree. And then from here, it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. And I know it can look a little bit complicating. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this entire process. Up in the top right, go ahead and select filter by name and type in Roblox. And then from here, go ahead and hit enter. If you don't see Roblox when you do search it up, just make sure that you go ahead and open up the Roblox launcher first. Once you select Roblox, go up to view and then go down to this little option that says lower pane view. Select threads and it's going to show you a page that looks like this. Then reselect Roblox player and you're going to see all these options on here that are saying waiting. I'm going to expand this so it's a little bit easier to see, but what you're looking for in here is going to be an option that says Roblox singleton events. Now what I would recommend doing is just filtering this to the handle section right here. And you'll see this a lot easier. As you can see, it's right here for you, so you don't have to scroll through all those threads options. But this is what you're looking for right here. Right click on it and then hit close handle and then hit yes, just like so. As soon as you do that, Roblox is going to no longer block multiple instances. So you just need to simply log into your alt account, launch Roblox again, and you'll be able to play on 2 accounts at the exact same time. So as you can see, I can open up this just like so. And then I can go ahead and sign out of this account by selecting more, going to the very bottom, hitting log out. As you can see, I now have both my accounts signed in and I can go ahead and get into the same match, and that's it. This is how you can run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.